SRNA for a short here. 1026, 27s. I'm gonna start here 1026, guys. I'm short 1026. I'm short 1026. On this one, stop is very small, guys. We've got 1026 and 1036. 10 cents only, guys. I'm short 1026. There's some buyers, 1025s, that needs to get taken out. Asks are coming down. Yep, 1025's holding. We need that 1025 get taken out. So I'm short 1026, guys, on this. There's still chance, guys. There's still chance. 1025s are getting taken out. There we go. There we go. Okay, that was very quick. I couldn't take anything off. I mean, that would have been too early anyways. I needed to close to 10s would be our partial, guys, on this. What I will do is I'll keep my tight risk on it. 1032s even, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna keep really tight risk on it. Guys, I'm back. What's happening? SRNE looks good right now. It went to our 30s areas. This area, this level here, 30s, and got rejected from it. So hopefully this will bring some volume in, so it can break the 1015s. We're still waiting on 1015s to break. That's the update on the trade. Our stop just over 1032s. There's not much we can do at the moment. Once it breaks down close to 10s, it will be our partial. Let's go 1015s. Come on, there's huge buyers. 1050s. If that gets taken out, then we're good to go. So we want that. Do you see this volume coming in now? Alright, this might be it. Come on, this volume needs to have follow through. And that's our 1009s. We're getting into the 10s now. Time to look to exit the first partial on this. Right, guys, now since it's broken this range here, we can put our stop to break even and relax. There we go. Just put your stop down to break even and let it run until you're partial. I'm getting it out at least 1005s, guys. At least 1005s. If it gives me better entry to exit, that's perfect. Watching it for a partial close to 1005s, under 1005s. There it goes. There it goes. Lovely. 1003s, come on, get taken out, get taken out. 1003s. 1003s, I'm out, partial. 1003s. Alright guys, since I need to go, I'm gonna take everything off around 10:10s guys. So 10:10s, I'm gonna take everything off. I'm done with the trade, SRNA trade. Took a trade here, a short 10.26s. Our stop was just over 10.32, less than 10 cents. Actually, I kept on telling, or was it 10.36? Oh, okay, I'm wrong here, guys. So our initial stop was over 10.36. So yes, that was close to 10 cents. Initial risk. But since this happened, after this wash, we brought it down to 10.32 straight away. So yeah, that's the trade short from 10.26. Just took its time to actually reach that 10s. I was mentioning I'm not taking it anywhere before 10.05s. It would have to go down below 10.05s. So it washed to 10.03s. I managed to get it just at the bottom, the first partial, and then now I'm out of it completely because I just feel like it's not even worth waiting for. It's just so quiet at the moment. So I'm just gonna end everything, shut down everything, and then spend some time with the family, guys.